This episode we'll be making bibimbap, tteokbokki and chicken wrapped in nori. We're kicking off this episode with bibimbap since I haven't been getting enough veggies lately. Cut it into thin strips like this. It will be easier to toss together later. Next up is meat a carrot. This guy is pretty tough. Forgot to hit the record, but just julienne the carrots the same way. Because I'm vegetarian, I make sure I don't miss out on protein. Today this task goes to the king oyster mushrooms. Besides protein, this guy is packed with potassium and lots of amazing vitamins. And now mung bean sprouts jump into the vitamin-packed party. Let's get the fire going, everyone. Zucchini step into the spotlight. Drizzle in some sesame oil. The aroma hits the nose instantly. Sprinkle in a little salt to bring everything to life. Next up is the carrot. History repeats itself. Just add sesame oil and salt, give it a good toss, easy huh? Just like the previous veggies, same process. Stir fry the mushrooms with sesame oil. Keep cooking until the mushrooms soften and release some liquid. Season with a little salt. On to the next source of protein. Any idea what this might be? It's eggs. 2 of them. Tuck it in a bit to make it look nicer. Next up, protein, but this one's going to be used for the sauce. I'm using fresh plant-based chicken. Not my cup of tea, I probably won't pick it up again. Add some gochujang and mirin. Pour in water, soy sauce and sweet chili sauce. Oops, I forgot to hit record again. Finally, we lightly blanch mung bean sprouts. Give them a quick blanch, just a few minutes is enough. Put them in a bowl for mixing. Too lazy to chop fresh garlic, so I'm going with garlic powder. Drizzle in some sesame oil and a pinch of salt. Let the mung bean sprouts dance in the bowl. Yay! All finished, guys! Load the bowl with plenty of rice. Throw in extra rice to make it full on cup heaven. Flop up the rice and get ready to add all the colorful toppings. Here comes the stars of the show. Into the spotlight they go. Place the vegetables nicely on top. Add the sauce to bring all the flavors together. Oops, the mung bean sprouts totally slipped my mind. What a colorful and happy looking dish. Top it off with sesame seeds. I just realized it now. Just squashed them down and forgot it even happened. All done, everyone. Time to dig in. Come eat with me, guys. I'm obsessed. Look at that egg yolk ooze. Let's mix this all up. Mix it up and make a tasty chaos. Make it look pretty, then go all in and toss everything together. Look at those vibrant red-orange colors. They really pop. Dig in, everyone. I start by cooking the rice. I'm obsessed with Japanese rice. Look at these plump, perfectly white grains of rice. The original recipe calls for fresh chicken. I'll be swapping in some plain-based chicken. Grab a big sheet of nori. Fold the nori sheet so I can cut it into thin strips. Give it another fold. Fold once more and press down to hold the fold. Then cut along the folds. Some strips ended up slightly bigger than I wanted, so I went ahead and cut them again. The chicken chunks are all varying in size. I go for the largest pieces. Wrap a strip of nori around a piece of chicken. Easy peasy. Time to combine everything into a magical sauce to give the chicken a little sauce bath. This makes a thick, shiny sauce that hugs all the protein pieces. The recipe says I should toss it in and add some water. Give it a good stir so everything mixes nicely. All set and ready to roll. Heat up some oil in the pan first. Now line up those beautiful pieces in the pan. Add a bit more oil to get that nice crispy crust. Alright, fast forwarding a bit. Into the sauce they go. Toss and stir it around until the sauce thickly coats every piece. Just to balance things out and keep it healthy. Let's boil these green guys too. Dump a whole bowl of white rice onto a big plate. This is the star of today's dish. Pile in a ton. Time to soak in the glory of my dish. Do these colors make your mouth water or what? Let's dig in. Let's give this plate a pop of color for a better balance. Grab a bit of white rice and lay the piece of chicken on top. Here you go, enjoy. And this is my simple homemade meal. I'm making some tasty little bites today. There are 3 eggs left. Toss them all into the pot. I should have boiled the water first before dropping in the eggs. This is the sauce I made the other day for bibimbap. But this time I'm adding some whole milk. It will turn into a creamy sauce, and with the heat, it's just wonderful. Add a splash of rich cream to make it even better. Then water. Give it a good mix so it's all combined. It takes on this bright, appetizing orange hue. Let's chop garlic and onion to create that blissful aroma. I picked up some plant-based sausages from Aldi. Make a few cuts on the sausages. They'll be so cute after frying. Stove on. Here we go. The delicious aroma is dripping up straight to my nose. Little sausages into the pan they go. Here's the hero of today's recipe. Oh wow, the sauce packet just flew in with the top. Snatched them out fast. What I love about Korean cooking is you put everything in the pot, add the sauce, and done. Easy and tasty. Let the top soften under the lid before giving them a saucy bath. My eggs stuck to the shell, all because I boiled them in cold water. Not the prettiest, but the soft yolk makes up for it. Our top is good to go. Sauce goes in. When it comes back to a boil, slide the eggs in. Add mozzarella for that gooey goodness. Don't be shy, add a big handful. Now just plate it up. A sprinkle of green makes it even prettier. Let's tuck in. Here, have a bite. Don't forget to follow and show me some love.